Peace, love, light, all things good to those of you tuning in to the Unapologetic Nomads. And it's a lovely day. I'm Queen Nomad, and shout out to King Nomad and Princess Nomad out there. I'm about to view a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here in Columbia, South Carolina, and it is brand new and it is for sale. So let's go in and see what's going on. Nice setup. Okay. So we first go to the left. This is bedroom number 1. Okay. The decor is lovely. Okay. This looks like it could be like a child's room. Nice furniture. Okay. Nice. And you have a closet in here. It's a brand new home. And this is all from the front. Okay. Wow, okay. Ooh, nice. Okay. Turn out the water pressure. Good. And this is a linen closet. Nice. Okay, I'm entering the kitchen and living room, and it's an open floor plan. This is very nice. Wow, I love the island in the middle. This is nice. Dining area.
This direction here, wash and dry to the left, garage entry, and closet.
Very nice. Wow. Very nice. Countertops. Okay. This is the pantry. Oh, I'm gonna show the paints. Pantry. All right. And you have, of course, microwave, your stove with your oven. And again, the island in the middle. And that's a view from the kitchen of the living room area. And you have very nice fridge. Okay. That's a big one. All right. Nice. I like the cabinet storage space. And then there is, okay, you saw that. Okay. Through this door. Another, storage room. This is nice. Nice use of space. Wash and dryer storage. Okay. Nice. The hookups are already there. Okay. And another closet. Lots of closet space. That's really nice. And this door is, wow, you have a garage. You have your very own garage. Looks like maybe one car would fit in here. Okay. Very nice. You can come from the house right out into the garage.
Yeah, that's the best one.
The master, right? Master. This is a master bedroom. All right, very nice. It's carpeted, very new. It's brand new. Walk-in closet in here. Walk-in closet. Nice. All right. Nice space. Oh, I love the decor, the furniture. Nice. Looks like the backyard is really nice space. Really nice space. Oh, his and her sinks in the bathroom. Very nice. Wow. Shower. Okay. And your seat in the shower. Very good. All right. Now we're headed out. And this is the third bedroom space, but you could actually use it as an office space as they have set it up like this here. Very nice. So you could either use it for an office or for a bedroom. And another nice size closet. Nice size closet. Very nice. Wow. Okay, a screened in porch. Very nice use of space. Nice. So you don't have to bother with flies and mosquitoes. Okay. And then out here's the grass area. Okay. And a ceiling fan. Very nice. All right, after viewing this home, it is 1,280 square feet, which is a nice space with a garage, a one-car garage, 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and it goes for $230,000 USD.